Hey guys, today we gonna talk about Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Not only is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro the most impressive device we've seen from Huawei to date, it's also one of the most impressive flagships currently on the market, undercutting the competition while offering more in some key areas. The good about it is excellent design, great enthusiast camera and class-leading battery. But the bad about it is no headphone jack, no wireless charging and EMUI not for everyone. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro has a lot going for it. In addition to a slick, premium design, the screen packs vibrant, OLED technology with an 18:9 aspect ratio, similar to that found on the Google Pixel 2 XL and iPhone X. Huawei's Mate 10 Pro also has a dual-camera setup reminiscent of the excellent iPhone 8 Plus and Galaxy Note 8. It's even loaded up with Android 8, the latest version of Google's operating system, out of the box, meaning you get the operating system's latest security features and UI highlights, such as picture-in-picture viewing. At CES 2018, Huawei announced that the Mate 10 Pro will be releasing in the US, with pre-orders opening up on February 4th. Its 80.9% screen-to-bezel ratio also impresses compared to the classical iPhone 8 and 8 Plus design, though isn't quite as light on bezels as the iPhone X. Like the iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and LG V30 though, the screen's aspect ratio is ultra-wide with an 18:9 aspect ratio. With 4000 mAh of battery inside the Mate 10 Pro, it has a larger capacity cell than any of its main competitors in the US, UK and Australia. Huawei has cracked it with the Mate 10 Pro. This is a beautiful smartphone with a stunning screen, water resistance and stereo speakers. It also combines an excellent enthusiast camera and plenty of power under the hood, not to mention tons of storage and class-leading battery life. Is the Mate 10 Pro going to be for everybody? Definitely not. Many won't be able to forgive the lack of a headphone jack. Meanwhile, others will grimace at the idea of a phone with no microSD card support, while Android purists may begrudge Huawei's heavy user interface, Emotion UI. Those objections aside though, it's hard to argue if the price of the Mate 10 Pro is about at $945 US.